As a realtor, I've stepped into hundreds of homes, and let me tell you, those Instagram perfect trends you see on HGTV, they don't work for real life. I've helped countless buyers find value in spaces, and one thing's clear. Homes that look good on TV don't always function well in reality. These trends are designed for that 30-second reveal, not for the day-to-day living we all deal with. We're being sold pretty dysfunction, and homeowners are paying the price, big time. In this video, I'm going to share advice that you won't find on Instagram or Pinterest. We're going to talk about how to create a home that not only adds value for resale, but works for you every single day. Whether you're preparing to sell or just want a space that functions better for your lifestyle, I've got the tips that'll make a real difference. So let's kick things off with the first mistake that's likely making your home feel more cluttered: turning every surface into a styled obstacle course. Let's talk about that useless decor graveyard. Have you ever stood in HomeSense holding that random wooden bead garland thing thinking, do I really need this? No, you do not. But HGTV makes you believe that every empty surface must be styled with stuff. Trays, vases, faux plants, random bowls. In real life, that's just more things to dust. And who invented those bead things in the first place? They serve absolutely no purpose that I can find other than to be picked up when you have to dust or moved out of the way every time you want to set your coffee mug down on the coffee table. They're ridiculous. The result of all this styling is shelves and surfaces that look staged for an open house but function like an obstacle course. Or let's talk about the storage black hole. Open shelving, anyone? Floating vanities, no upper cabinets. These might look great on camera, but in real life, they turn your home into a daily battle against clutter. Where does all your stuff actually go? Oh, that's right, it doesn't. It sits in messy piles or gets crammed into overstuffed drawers, making your home feel more chaotic, not less. Storage solutions are the most important element in any home design. If you're always trying to control your clutter and can never seem to get things tidy or keep them tidy, look around at your storage solutions. Is your strategy more wicker basket than storage cabinet? Don't overlook the practical for the aesthetic. I love a good basket, but being able to put things behind closed doors in either a closet or a cupboard is crucial to staying tidy and organized. Your design should work for you, not force you to play hide and seek with your own belongings. Or maybe you fall into the forever updating trap. HGTV and Pinterest want to keep you on a renovation hamster wheel. Every year there's a new must-have look. Farmhouse is out, modern rustic is in, gold hardware is over, now it's matte black. Keeping up is exhausting and expensive. And worst of all, most of those trendy updates don't age well, which means you're just paying again to undo them. Good design shouldn't need updating. Yes, you might want to freshen up paint and decor items every 8 years or so as trends evolve and tastes change, but the big expensive items should last the test of time. Let me tell you a story about Sarah. Sarah was obsessed with HGTV. She watched every home makeover show. She scrolled through Pinterest like it was her full-time job and took notes like a student cramming for finals. God, I'm full of metaphors. She wanted the perfect modern home, and on a budget, of course. And when she finally got the chance to remodel her kitchen, she went all in. Think gray everything, shiplap, of course, and no upper cabinets because minimalist kitchens were so in. Instead, she opted for open shelving, just like all the design shows promised would make her space airy and curated. Fast forward 6 months and she's absolutely miserable. The open shelves, a dust and grease magnet. No matter how often she cleaned, they just never felt right. They either looked empty and cold or cluttered and chaotic. And let's not even talk about the constant layer of grime coating everything that sat out more than a day. And here's the best part. I'm Sarah. That's right, I did this to my own kitchen, and while I don't regret skipping the upper cabinets because I'm lucky I've got a massive pantry wall for storage, those open shelves, absolute nightmare. They never looked as effortlessly styled as they do on Instagram, and the maintenance was full time. They were a design choice I wanted to love, but absolutely could not live with. Now, no, I'm not the only one. The problem with HGTV style design isn't that it makes homes look soulless. It's that it makes them harder to live in, more cluttered, and in some cases, actively destroying their resale value. Real homes need function. So here's how to fix it. You want a home that looks great and actually works for real life? Here are 4 tips to help you break free from that HGTV trap. The first one is think timeless over trendy. Forget what's in. Forget what's in this year and think long term. Stick with warm, inviting neutrals, natural materials like wood and stone, and designs that will look good in a decade from now, not just today. The second tip is invest in functional beauty. Before buying decor, ask yourself, does this actually do something? If it lights up, if it stores things or serves a real purpose, great. If it's just there to fill the space, skip it. Storage first, style second is number 3. A stunning room is still a mess if it doesn't function for your lifestyle. You need to prioritize built-in cabinetry, furniture with storage, and closets that actually hold your stuff. A home that looks organized is nice, but a home that is organized, that's the real goal. The fourth is personal over Pinterest. Your home should feel like you, not a copy-paste Pinterest board. I'm not saying to stay away from Pinterest. It's a great tool for inspiration, but use it wisely. Don't throw your personality away for a passing Pinterest trend. Keep pieces that have meaning, design around your personal lifestyle, and resist any trends that don't actually make your home better. Maybe you're asking why this matters for your home value and your lifestyle. Well, thinking, but doesn't my house need to be HGTV ready to sell? No, buyers don't want trend traps. They want homes that feel livable, not like a set designed for a 30-second video montage. A house designed for real function holds its value better than one designed for aesthetics alone. Here's why. Storage is a major selling point. Buyers don't walk into a house thinking, wow, look at those floating shelves. They walk in and they think, where am I going to put my stuff in here? A home that lacks practical storage is a home that turns off potential buyers, and it hurts the resale value. Timeless finishes have lasting value, so trendy materials and colors age quickly. What's in today is going to look dated in 5 years. A home with classic, high-quality materials, again, think real wood, stone, neutral palettes, they're always going to feel current, and they won't require constant, costly updates. And a home that works for you now is a home that's going to work for future buyers. So whether you're staying or planning to sell, your home should make your life easier. Functionality will never go out of style, and a house that's designed to be lived in instead of just looked at is always going to appeal to buyers. So before you rip out those perfectly good cabinets for floating shelves, or you repaint everything a moody blue, ask yourself, will this make my home better to live in? Or is it just trendier now and harder to sell later? Now, I'd like to hear from you. What's one HGTV trend you totally regret trying? Did you go all in on open shelving like me and now you're constantly dusting? Did you paint your whole home grayish and now it feels like a hospital waiting room? Drop it in the comments and let's talk about it. And if you're wondering how to actually keep your home organized without turning into a full-time decluttering guru, I've got you. Click here for the organizing hack you need for a tidy home. Trust me, it's a game changer. I'll see you over there.